Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at one of the most insane, rule-breaking machines ever conceived by the automotive world. In 2003, Chrysler decided to ask a ridiculous question. What happens if you strap a massive, fire-breathing supercar engine to two wheels? The result was the legendary Dodge Tomahawk V10, a rolling piece of mechanical sculpture that completely blurred the line between motorcycle and spaceship. When you first look at the exterior of this beast, you realize it is not a traditional motorcycle at all. It features an ultra-futuristic, Art Deco-inspired design wrapped entirely in polished billet aluminum. It looks like it was chiseled out of a solid block of metal. Instead of standard front forks, it utilizes a custom dual-hub steering setup connected to two closely coupled front wheels. Moving into what counts as the interior and rider interface of this mechanical monster, the experience is incredibly minimalist, but intensely premium. There are no luxurious seats or touchscreen displays here. You sit on a hand-stitched, tightly cropped leather pad that places your chest directly over the engine housing. The handlebars are machined directly from aluminum, offering a completely raw feel of the mechanical components beneath you. Speaking of the powertrain, let's look under the hood, or rather, directly into the exposed heart of this vehicle. Dominating the entire chassis is a massive 8.3-liter, naturally aspirated Viper V10 engine. This is the exact same powerhouse found in the iconic Dodge Viper supercar of the era. It pumps out an astonishing 500 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. Because the engine makes up the vast majority of the structural frame, there is no traditional engine bay. When it comes to the price, owning a piece of this extreme engineering was reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Dodge never intended to mass-produce the Tomahawk, keeping it strictly as a rolling concept piece. However, they did build a total of 9 operational replicas, which were sold through the Neiman Marcus Christmas catalog for a staggering $155,000 each. In terms of safety, the Dodge Tomahawk is effectively a rolling hazard that offers absolutely zero driver aids. There is no traction control, no anti-lock braking system, and no airbags. Stopping power relies on massive, perimeter-mounted 20-inch disc brakes on all 4 wheels to bring its 1,500-pound mass to a halt. Because of the sheer torque output of the V10 engine, a single wrong twist of the throttle could easily break traction, meaning only the most experienced and daring riders could ever dream of managing its raw power. To summarize this incredible machine, the 2003 Dodge Tomahawk V10 remains a peak example of automotive madness from an era when manufacturers were brave enough to build their wildest dreams. It is a stunning combination of beautiful exterior craftsmanship, raw and focused rider ergonomics, and a legendary supercar engine packaged into a design that still looks futuristic decades later. It was never practical, it was never safe, and it was never cheap. But it cemented its place in history as the ultimate expression of mechanical dominance. Thank you so much for watching today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this look at one of the craziest concepts ever built, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic automotive reviews, and leave a comment below telling me if you would ever dare to ride this V10 monster. Until next time, keep your foot on the gas, and I will see you in the next video.